So in this video we will see some basic operators in JavaScript. So before that I want to tell you something about comments. So comments are the lines which we write in a code which are not interpreted or compiled by the VS the V8 engine, particularly in our case, because in Chrome we use V8 engine, and if we write something here like operators in JavaScript, this line will be skipped by the compiler. So we can give single line comments, and we can also make multi-line comments like this. So anything in between these lines will be discarded by the interpreter. Okay, so let's see some basic. Let's make two variables, variable A and B, and let us put value A equal to 10 and assign B equal to 20. So let us perform some basic mathematical operations. So what we can do is let's log the output to the console. So now what will I do is I will open this with a live server extension in VS Code, and what that allows me is that I don't have to continuously refresh my page to see my result. It will automatically refresh my page whenever anything is changed. So I have opened my console here, and it is just shown by the extension I am using. So I can console log A plus B, and let us just make it small so we can adjust both of these on side by side. Let's put this here and here. Open the developer tools. Okay, more tools, developer tools. Why they are not coming up? Okay, so you can see now it's printing 30. What else we can do? We can subtract something. You can see we can also multiply something. We can divide. You can see now it's showing 0.5, and we can also use something called modulus operator. What this does is that it divides the value and gives out the remainder. So if we divide 10 by 20, it will give us 10, but to make it clear, let us divide B by A. So if we divide 20 by 10, what we will get as a remainder is 0. So if we do that like by 7, so you can get, because 7, if we divide 20 by 7, we get 6 as a remainder. So these are some basic operators. We can also do operations on strings. Like if I make a string and give it some value like John, and I print the string, you can see it's printing John. But if I include something here, like if I add though here, now it will concatenate the string. So what this concatenation means, it just puts the next string just behind the first one. But if we do something like this, it will throw us an NaN. What NaN stands for is not a number. So it is the compiler or the interpreter in the JavaScript V8 engine is telling us that the operation we are trying to do on the string is resulting in not a number. That what basically means. Or like if you also do division, it will result in the same. So this is some basic operations we can do in JavaScript on variables. So let's move further in the next video.